Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to share 5 smart ways to learn English. English is not a tough language. This is very easy language. You can just learn it in a single reading. So now I'm going to tell you the 5 smart ways to learn English. First of all, how to learn English, you have to follow these 5 rules. First is learn English in fun way. So if you want to learn English, just learn it in a fun way. Don't take it as a difficult subject or difficult language. Second rule, learn some basic grammar. That means you have to learn some basic grammar rules before starting learning. Third, use the power of phrases. You have to learn some phrases so that at a time or any situation you can use those phrases in your English or in your spoken. Fourth step, speak, listen, speak and write. First of all, friends, you need to listen. You need to listen everything. Then you will be able to understand your listening. After that, try to speak those wordings. Next, read English from newspaper, books, anywhere else, or then try to write English or difficult spellings of English. The fifth and the last step in learning English is spend more and more time with English. It means you have to spend more time in English. How you will spend your time in English? For example, you can read newspaper, books, you can speak with another person, you can listen English through the movies, videos, or try to write difficult spelling of the English. So let us start our next step. How do you speak faster? We see in another countries people are speaking very fast. So these are some short forms that how we can speak faster. So let us decide. I have got to go. I have gotta go. This is a short form of this one. I have got a book. I have got a book. I don't want to dance. Wanna dance. Sorry, do you want to dance? Wanna dance. Do you want a banana? Wanna banana. Let me in. Let me in. Let me go. Let me go. I will let you do. I will let ya know. Did you do it? Did ya do it? Not yet. Not yet. I will meet you later. I will meet you later. How do you think? What do you think? What did you do with me? What you do with me? How did you like it? How you like it? When did you get it? When you get it? Why did you take it? Why you take it? So these are some short forms, or you can say that these are the faster way to speak these sentences. Next, these are some learning strategy that you should follow before learning English. First is a reading. Reading English. We can read from newspaper, books. As I have told you, you can read your English from your books as well as the English newspaper. Study at the language school in UK. I mean to say, you have to study at the language school that are mainly focus on the English. Speaking with native speakers. You need to speak with the native speaker who are the resident of the native language English. By corresponding with the pen friend, you need to do correspondence with the pen friend. Living in a country where it is spoken, you have to live in that country where English is used as a mother tongue. Watching English film, you need to watch English film. Study at the language school in your country. In this, I want to tell you, if you are living in India, there is no problem. You can study in the English school that are under the CBSE learning, or they used to speak English language. Listen to the BBC World Service on the radio. You need to listen the radio BBC shows. Next, other ways to say. For example, I want to say good luck to somebody. There are another ways which I can use like fingers crossed, best of luck, break a leg, blow them away. For example, I want to wish happy birthday. In another ways, I can say many happy returns, have a great one, all the best on your special day, wishing you many more candles to come. Or some other ways to speak good night. Night night, sweet dreams, sleep tight, don't let the bed bugs bite. Next, here are some ways how you can say have a good day. First is have a great day, have a rock and roll day, enjoy your new day, have a safe day, be a good cheer, good to see you, live long and prosper, have a blessed day, have a day, life is beautiful, enjoy the ride, have an awesome day, you can say, be good for no reason. For means why I'm telling you these words, because in your daily conversation you can add these words, so can you make your English better or make your spoken better. How to start sentence? When we are going to start any sentence, there are many ways how can we start our sentence. These are in addition, then you can start your matter, to my of thinking, as I see it, luckily, fortunately, unfortunately. Personally, I believe it comes as no surprise that, as a matter of fact, in regard to. There are another ways that how we can start a sentence. Next, other words to say I don't know. We use I don't know word. We have another ways which we can use in place of I don't know. These are I'm not sure, I don't have a clue, I have no idea, I haven't got a fantastic idea, beats me, search me, I am unsure, your guess is good as mine. Next, other ways to say I don't know. These are same as these, but I have made this with another idea. For example, here's something new. I have no idea. I don't have a clue. Beats me. I'm not sure. Search me. This one is a new word. That's a good question. This is also a new word. Interjection. I'm unsure. You can these words also. Next, we can start questions like what. What means to say क्या. Where. Where means to say कहाँ पे. When. When means to say कब. Who means to say कौन. Which means to say कौन सा. Whose means to say किसका. Why means to say क्यों. How means to say कैसे. So next I am going to tell you some silent letters in English. First, silent of letter B, where B letter is silence. So you will speak after me. You can speak with me. Like first word is com, clim, com, crumb, depth, doubt, dumb, lamb, limb, numb. Now silent letter T, butcher, castle, Christmas, fasten, hustle, listen, match, mortgage, nestle, often. Next silent letter H, ghost, honest, R, mechanic, rhythm, scheme, school, what, when, where. Next is a silent letter K, knee, new, knickers, knife, night, knit, knitting, knove, knock, note. Next silent letter word. Answer, sword, two, hole, rack, wrap, wrist, wrinkle, wretch, ran. Next silent letter H. Architect, chose, character, chemical, choreograph, chrome, echo, ghost, honest, R, mechanic, rhythm, scheme, school, stomach, wet. Silent letter K. Neck, need, knee, new, knife, knob, knock, know, knowledge. Next silent letter B. Comb, climb, comb, depth, doubt, dump, lamp, subtle, thumb. Silent letter U. Biscuit, build, guilty, vague, guess, guest, guide, guitar, antique. Silent letter G. Assign, bin, camp, campaign, consign, design, fawn, reason, rain, resign. Silent letter E. Breathe, change, like, love, vegetable. Silent letter C. Descent, scene, scent, science, Caesar. Silent letter H. Amend, balm, calm, could. Silent letter P. Cope, cupboard, cyclozy, receipt, pneumonia. Next here is a silent letter N. Heim, column. Silent letter D. Wednesday, handsome, handkerchief, badge, bag. Silent letter G. Sign, resign, design, foreigner. Silent letter U. Guitar, guard, building, guilty, rough, vogue, biscuit, tongue. Silent letter H. What, when, why, which, whether, ghost, honest, are, while, white, where, rhythm. Silent letter T. Which, fasten, castle, watch, butcher, scratch, listen, match, Christmas, mortgage, soften, often. Silent letter K. Knife, knee, knot, knitting, no, knob, knock, knickers, knuckle, night, neck, new. Silent letter B. Lamb, thumb, numb, crumb, climbing, comb, bomb, doubt, plumber, limb, depth, tom. So this one was a video. That is my first video and first step towards learning English. So if you want to learn English in an easy way and if you want to speak in English, you have to be with me. So try to be with me, subscribe my channel. If you liked my video, press like button or share as much as possible. Thank you all for watching.